Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about Echinacea or Rudbeckia purpurea, and they're a great native plant from the United States. So Echinacea purpurea or Rudbeckia purpurea, also known as purple coneflower, is native to the eastern parts of the United States. So it's closely related to the black-eyed Susan, which is also a Rudbeckia, and other daisy-type plants, which are in the aster family. So they're very, very hardy. And in nature, they like more of a prairie-type condition where it's really hot and dry in the summer, some water in the winter, but not too much, but cold, cold winters. So they're very, very hardy, even down to zone 3. So they can handle zones 3 to 10. So even minus 20 degrees to even places where there's not much of a freeze at all, they'll survive really well. So they're a perennial, just like a daisy is, any kind of a black-eyed Susan. So they die back in the wintertime. So it's November, this one's starting to die back. And it's just a set of roots. So you can either start them by seed in the spring, or you can divide the roots any time of the year, especially in the fall is the best time, and turn around and plant them right in the ground again. And they love full hot sun. That's the key. They do not like to be in the shade. And they want lots of room to multiply because they really love to multiply. And they get pretty large clumps pretty quickly. And the great part is they'll bloom July through September. And even after the first set of blooms, they start looking frumpy. Just chop those down and they'll get a second set of blooms. So Echinacea has a really long and exciting history. And it has a lot of medicinal uses as well. But it's a gorgeous, really beautiful kind of sunflower in your garden.